Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to unblock someone on Snapchat and add them back. So let's head over to your Snapchat application first. Once you are there, head over to your Bitmoji on the top left corner. And in here, just go to this gear icon on the top right. From there, scroll down until you find the option of blocked users. Just above saved login info, go to blocked users. And if you have blocked someone in here, you can find them in here. And you can just tap on unblock just beside right here. The unblock option will be here. And you can add them back by searching them on your Snapchat. You can search them by tapping this person icon on the top right. And here you can just search them by their name. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.